Ladies, let's talk about something real today. How do you create that deep, unshakable connection that makes a man not just attracted to you, but captivated by you? It's not about games, tricks, or changing who you are. It's about mastering what truly matters. Because here's the truth. Attraction might bring a man to you, but it's connection, energy, and authenticity that make him stay. So today, I'm going to break down the real game-changing elements that make men fall hard, not for a version of you, but for the real you. Confidence is one of the most powerful forces of attraction. It's not just about looking good or having the perfect words to say. It's about the energy you carry, the way you walk into a room, and the way you make others feel when they're around you. When you exude confidence, people can sense it before you even speak. It's in your posture, your eye contact, your presence. It's not about arrogance or proving anything to anyone. It's about knowing deep inside that you are enough, that you bring something valuable to the table, and that you don't need external validation to feel complete. Men are naturally drawn to confident women because confidence signals certainty, security, and strength. A confident woman is someone who knows what she wants, but she doesn't chase. She attracts. She doesn't seek approval because she already approves of herself. She doesn't shrink herself to make others comfortable, and she doesn't pretend to be someone she's not just to fit a mold. She stands tall in her authenticity, and that makes her irresistible. When you are confident, you communicate differently. You speak with certainty, without hesitation or self-doubt. You express yourself freely because you are not afraid of judgment. You are comfortable with your own opinions, emotions, and boundaries. This level of self-assurance is something men deeply respect and admire. A woman who is unsure of herself, constantly second-guessing or afraid to express her needs, often creates uncertainty in a relationship. But a woman who knows her worth, she creates stability, she radiates a presence that says, I am here, I am whole, and I know what I deserve. That kind of energy is unforgettable. Confidence isn't just about how you feel about yourself. It's also about how you handle situations. A confident woman doesn't panic when a man pulls away or acts distant. She doesn't jump to conclusions or let insecurities take over. Instead, she stays composed, knowing that her value doesn't diminish just because someone else is uncertain. She isn't afraid to walk away from situations that don't serve her, and that alone makes men respect and desire her even more. When a man sees that a woman isn't afraid to lose him, he realizes she's someone truly special. She's not dependent on his attention for her happiness. She chooses to have him in her life, and that makes her presence more meaningful. Confidence is built through action. It's developed by keeping promises to yourself, by stepping out of your comfort zone, by learning, growing, and proving to yourself that you are capable. It's about embracing who you are, flaws and all, and knowing that you are worthy of love, respect, and admiration exactly as you are. When you fully embrace this mindset, you won't need to make a man fall for you. He'll naturally be drawn to you because confidence is magnetic and true confidence is rare. Physical attraction may spark initial interest, but it is emotional connection that keeps a man deeply invested. A man may be drawn to someone's appearance, but it is the way she makes him feel that determines whether he stays. Attraction is fleeting without a strong emotional bond, and that bond is created through understanding, communication, and shared experiences. When a man feels truly seen, heard, and valued, he connects on a level that goes far beyond the surface. Emotional connection is built through genuine curiosity about who he is as a person. It's about listening, not just to his words, but to the emotions behind them. Many people listen to respond, but few listen to understand. When a man opens up about his fears, dreams, and vulnerabilities, the way a woman responds shapes the depth of their connection. If he feels judged or dismissed, he will shut down. But if he feels safe and accepted, he will open up even more, deepening the bond between you. Men, like anyone else, crave a space where they can be their true selves without fear of rejection. Society often places expectations on men to always be strong, always be in control, and never show weakness. But when a woman provides a space where he can let down his guard, where he doesn't have to pretend to have it all figured out, that is when he starts to fall. It is not just about being a good listener, but about creating a connection where he feels free to express himself without judgment. Emotional connection also thrives on shared experiences and vulnerability. When two people go through challenges together, support each other's goals, and celebrate victories side by side, they form an unbreakable bond. It's not about always agreeing or having the same interests. It's about showing up for each other in meaningful ways. Small acts of kindness, remembering the little things he tells you, and being there when he needs you all contribute to a deeper emotional foundation. The key to emotional connection is authenticity. Men are drawn to women who are real, who express their emotions openly and honestly. A woman who hides her true feelings or plays games may create temporary excitement, but a woman who is emotionally available and expressive creates lasting connection. When he senses that she is not afraid to show her heart, he feels safe enough to show his. That mutual vulnerability builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any deep and lasting relationship. Feminine energy is one of the most powerful and magnetic forces in attraction. It's not about being weak or submissive. It's about embracing your natural essence in a way that brings balance, harmony, and deep emotional connection into a relationship. In today's fast-paced world where women are encouraged to be independent, strong, and constantly striving for success, many unknowingly suppress their feminine energy. But when a woman taps into it, she becomes irresistible in a way that no amount of external beauty or effort can replicate. Feminine energy is about presence. It's about being fully in the moment, enjoying life, and radiating warmth. A woman who embodies this energy doesn't rush through conversations or try to control every outcome. She flows with life, embraces spontaneity, and finds joy in the little things. When a man is around a woman like this, he feels a deep sense of peace and attraction. He doesn't feel pressure to perform or meet expectations. Instead, he is drawn in by her effortless ability to make any moment feel special. Another key aspect of feminine energy is receptivity. A woman in her feminine essence knows how to receive love, attention, and care without resistance. Many women today have been conditioned to believe that being independent means rejecting help or affection, but true feminine energy welcomes it with grace. This doesn't mean relying on a man for validation or support. It means allowing him to give and appreciating his efforts without feeling the need to always reciprocate in the same way. Men are natural providers and protectors, and when a woman allows a man to step into this role, it activates his deepest instincts to cherish and commit to her. Playfulness and softness are also core aspects of feminine energy. A woman who laughs easily, teases, and brings lightness into a man's life becomes someone he craves to be around. The world is full of stress and pressure, and men often carry heavy burdens. But when a woman brings a sense of ease, joy, and emotional warmth, she becomes his safe space. This doesn't mean avoiding serious conversations or pretending everything is perfect. It means bringing a balance between strength and softness, knowing when to lead and when to let go. A woman in her feminine energy understands that true attraction isn't about chasing, it's about attracting. She doesn't force things, she doesn't demand love, and she doesn't prove her worth. Instead, she simply is, and in that effortless existence, she captivates. She inspires devotion without manipulation, simply by being in tune with her true essence. When she embodies this energy, the right man will feel drawn to her in a way that he can't quite explain but never wants to let go of. Setting high standards and holding them is one of the most powerful ways to attract and keep the right man. It is not about being demanding, difficult, or entitled. Rather, it is about knowing your worth and refusing to settle for anything less than what aligns with your values and desires. Many women fear that having high standards will push men away, but the truth is that the right man will rise to meet them, while the wrong one will reveal himself quickly and move on. This is not a loss, it is a blessing. A woman with high standards does not beg for love, attention, or respect. She does not tolerate inconsistency, broken promises, or half-hearted efforts. She knows that the man who truly values her will show up for her without needing to be chased. When a woman holds herself to a certain level of respect and refuses to accept less, she naturally attracts men who respect her as well. She does not waste time on those who offer her breadcrumbs of affection or effort because she understands that true love does not require convincing. A key part of maintaining high standards is setting boundaries and enforcing them. It is easy to say, I will not tolerate dishonesty, but it takes real strength to walk away when a boundary is crossed. Many women struggle with this because they fear losing someone they care about. However, the reality is that allowing someone to repeatedly disrespect your boundaries only teaches them that they can continue doing so without consequence. A woman with high standards does not just talk about what she deserves, she acts on it. Having high standards also means being clear on what you truly want in a relationship. Many people get caught up in surface-level attraction and chemistry, but a woman who values herself looks beyond that. She seeks emotional security, consistency, and a partner who aligns with her vision for the future. She does not settle for a man who only brings temporary excitement but fails to provide the deeper connection and commitment she desires. She does not lower her expectations out of fear of being alone because she understands that being single and happy is far better than being in a relationship that drains her. Men admire and respect women who set and uphold their standards. When a woman carries herself with confidence and does not waver in what she expects, she commands a different level of attention. She is not easily impressed by shallow gestures or empty words. She values actions, effort, and integrity. This creates a natural challenge for a man, and the right one will rise to meet it, proving that he is worthy of her time and love. Being a man's peace rather than his chaos is one of the most powerful ways to build a deep, lasting connection. Men, just like women, face stress, pressure, and challenges every single day. Whether it's work, personal struggles, or societal expectations, they often carry a weight that they do not always express openly. In a world that constantly demands strength and resilience from them, a woman who brings emotional stability, understanding, and a sense of calm becomes irreplaceable. She becomes the person he turns to when everything else feels overwhelming. The one place where he feels safe to be himself without judgment or pressure. This doesn't mean avoiding important conversations or suppressing emotions. Being a man's peace does not mean being a doormat, ignoring your own needs, or pretending problems do not exist. Instead, it means creating an environment of mutual respect where both partners feel heard and understood. A woman who brings peace knows how to communicate with clarity rather than hostility. She doesn't resort to unnecessary drama, passive aggressiveness, or constant conflict. Instead, she approaches challenges with maturity and emotional intelligence. She knows that disagreements are natural, but she also understands that the way they are handled determines the strength of the relationship. Men are naturally drawn to women who make them feel appreciated and valued. A woman who constantly criticizes, nags, or belittles a man can make him feel like he is never enough. On the other hand, a woman who acknowledges his efforts, supports his dreams, and expresses gratitude for even the small things creates a space where he wants to invest more of himself. When a man feels like he is winning with a woman, when he feels that he can be himself without fear of being torn down, he becomes deeply attached to her. Bringing peace into a relationship also means mastering emotional control. This doesn't mean never feeling angry, hurt, or frustrated. It means knowing how to express those emotions in a constructive way. A woman who constantly reacts impulsively, starts unnecessary arguments, or lets small things turn into major conflicts creates an energy that exhausts a man rather than drawing him closer. However, a woman who navigates emotions with grace and self-awareness brings a sense of security that is deeply attractive. Ultimately, a man wants to come home to a partner who makes his world feel lighter, not heavier. When he finds a woman who can offer love, warmth, and understanding without unnecessary stress or toxicity, he recognizes her as someone truly special. In a world full of noise, chaos, and expectations, a woman who embodies peace is the one he will never want to lose. At the end of the day, love isn't about tricks, games, or changing who you are to fit someone else's expectations. It's about stepping into your true power, embracing your worth, and creating a connection that is built on something real. The right man doesn't fall for a version of you that's trying too hard. He falls for the woman who is confident, emotionally open, radiating feminine energy, holding high standards, and bringing peace into his life. So stop chasing and start attracting. Focus on what truly matters. Be the kind of woman who walks into a room and commands attention without demanding it. Be the woman who inspires love, not by force, but by simply being herself. Because when you own your energy, love your life, and stand firm in what you deserve, the right man won't just fall for you, he will never want to let you go. Now go out there and be unforgettable.